everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I have a project share for you, and this is actually my entry for CraftPurge's 2019 embellishment swap, and I finally finished. So I just wanted to come on and kind of show you my embellishment boxes that I've created, and here they are. So I'll just walk you through each one. These are the Dollar Tree embellishment boxes, and these are the ones in the auto section. They're smaller ones. I'm not going to show you what's inside only because I want it to be a surprise. But basically, all I did was I created the boxes, and all of the boxes are different. Well, the insides are the same, the outside are different. I don't like to actually mass produce the same thing, so I just did it a little bit different for each box. So I did include this big tag, and this is a graphic 45 tag that I just wanted to put my information on, and I added my tassels on top as one of my handmade embellishments. And then I just tied it onto the box, and here is my first box here. I use the Sunny Days collection by Maggie Holmes. I have been dying to use it, and I finally got to play with it. So I decorated all the boxes. I did a little stitching. This is some fun trim that I used. I did a little layering. I didn't actually want the top of the lids to be super embellished and I guess elevated with foam, only because I wanted to keep it flat, because these are going out, several of them are going out in one package, and I didn't want Tony to have a problem with the shipping. So these are super cute. This is my first one, and here's my second one. I actually really I'm loving this collection. It's a little bit more vintage than what I'm used to, but I still did a little stitching and enjoyed putting it together. Again, I've been really trying to stay outside of my comfort zone. I think it's just kind of good to mix it up a little bit. And I also, these are the tassels that I did a tutorial on. I'll leave a link down below if you haven't seen it. They are super fun, and I hope you get to make some yourself. So here is this one. This little string is not cooperating. Okay. And here's my embellishment box. Again, I used a lot of that glitter ribbon only because I wanted a different texture. But a lot of enamel dots. This is a acetate piece. I try to make it a little bit summery. It's the end of summer. Tag here, and relax, unplug. Just a little bathing suit from the collection. Just really some minimal layering, only because I wanted to keep them fairly simple. And please follow along. I'm sure Tony will be doing a video of all the unboxings. I look forward to seeing what everyone else has created, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye!